medium-sized onion finely chopped. Cook on medium flame until translucent. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste. Cook on low flame for 2 minutes. 1 cup tomatoes paste. 1 teaspoon red chili powder. 1 teaspoon salt. A half teaspoon turmeric powder. A half teaspoon black pepper powder. Mix well. Cover and cook on low flame for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, Three tablespoon yogurt. Cook on medium flame until oil is separated. A half teaspoon whole spice powder. 2 green chilies. 2 tablespoon fresh coriander leaves. 4 eggs. Cover and cook on low flame for 6 minutes.